Lesson 4: Utility, Production, and Costs. We conclude our course by looking at consumer satisfaction and business costs. Consumers experience the principle of diminishing marginal utility. This means as you consume more units of a good, the extra satisfaction from each additional unit falls. A consumer maximizes their utility from a single commodity when the marginal utility exactly equals the price of the good. Any additional units would add less utility than they cost. We also measure consumer surplus, which is simply the difference between what consumers are willing to pay and what they actually pay. Shifting to businesses, we must distinguish between the short run and the long run. In the short run, at least one factor of production is fixed in quantity. For example, a bakery's monthly rent is a fixed cost because it does not vary with output. Because of these fixed factors, firms experience the law of variable proportions, or diminishing returns. This law states that adding more of a variable factor eventually reduces marginal product as the fixed factor becomes overcrowded. When making production choices, firms track marginal cost, which is the addition to total cost from producing one more unit of output. As firms grow over the long run, they can experience internal economies of scale, where their long-run average cost falls as their own output expands. One major advantage in production is specialization. When workers repeatedly perform a limited task, it raises their speed and skill, saving time and massively improving productivity.